Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Peugeot 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car's been upgraded to have a lovely panoramic glass roof. There's also sat-nav and heated front seats. The car comes with Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. But outside the car you've got 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car the touchscreen features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower. The car's done under 6,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.